Question number 81. Which one of the following statements related to photosynthesis is not correct? A. In the process of photophosphorylation, light energy is converted into chemical energy. B. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is formed during light phase. C. The optimum temperature for photosynthesis is about 30 degrees Celsius. D. The energy needed for dark reaction is provided by ATP. Well, to understand this process properly, especially for non-science medium students, I have given two diagrams over here. Number one is the picture which depicts a 3D view of a chloroplast, and second one is the one which is representing this chloroplast in 2D view, just to have a better understanding. Alright, see, this photosynthesis, this process occurs in two stages. The first stage is light dependent phase, and second is the light independent phase, that is also known as dark phase, and it's also named as Kelvin cycle, because Kelvin, Benson, those were the scientists who had discovered this process. Okay, now see, what happens in this 2D view of chloroplast. See, this chloroplast is double membrane structure, and over here this green part which you can see, this is nothing but thylakoid, and thylakoids, when they are stacked together on each other, they form a granum. Alright, and the matrix which surrounds these thylakoids is nothing but stroma. So whatever light reaction takes place, it occurs in thylakoid, and whatever dark phase reaction takes place, it's in the matrix. Remember this clearly. So see, in light phase there are three important ingredients which we need. First one is the carbon dioxide from air, second is water molecules, and third one is sunlight. Without sunlight it's not possible, and chlorophyll is already present inside this chloroplast, which makes this green in color. So once this light reaction takes place, we get formation of what? Glucose and the oxygen, which is actually given out in the atmosphere, and along with it, what we remain with the byproducts, they are the energy molecules, and those energy molecules and then are given into this stroma matrix in dark phase. Alright, I'm repeating this statement, that once this light reaction is over in thylakoids, whatever is formed is released in this matrix, and then the dark phase starts. See, in the absence of sunlight, now whatever energy is needed, that energy is fulfilled by what? The molecules like ATP and NADPH, which are formed in the light phase. And further, there is what happens in dark phase. Again, carbon dioxide is taken from atmosphere, and then that is again fixed into higher number of sugars, that is like in the form of starch and cellulose, etc. Alright, so basically to form glucose and fructose, those kind of monomers in dark phase, the key important molecule which is formed in this matrix is nothing but PGAL, that is phosphoglyceraldehyde. It's one of the very important intermediate in Kelvin cycle. So saying this, that phosphoglyceraldehyde is formed during light phase, this statement makes this as incorrect, as clearly we have seen this is formed in the dark phase. Alright, and now let's read one by one all the statements. A. In the process of photophosphorylation, light energy is converted into chemical energy. That's absolutely right. Sunlight is trapped, and then that is converted into chemical energy in the form of glucose, right? Then C. The optimum temperature for photosynthesis is about 30 degrees Celsius. This is also correct. And the energy needed for the dark reaction, especially in this stroma, is provided by what? This ATP. This is nothing but adenosine triphosphate. So for this question, the correct answer is option B. Alright, please remember, phosphoglyceraldehyde is formed in dark phase. Now with that, let's move on to next question.